Hello everyone, and welcome back to Top Tips for Location Scouting. Now, if you're just joining us for this series, let me introduce myself. My name is Lauren Gibson, and I'm a communications strategist. I also host and produce an online travel show, and I am your location scouting guide. Now, today we're going to talk about one of the reasons that you should consider shooting on location. Keep watching after the break. One of the reasons you want to consider shooting on location is to differentiate yourself, your brand, your product, your service, etc., from the competition. So what do I mean by that? I'm sure you all have probably seen those articles about social media influencers who are filming or photographing in the same places. All of their pictures look the same, they're in the same poses. There's really nothing that interesting or eye-catching about their images, and as a result, people just pass them by. What I want to encourage you to do is to think about finding wonderful locations where you can shoot. Places that are visually interesting, that are eye-catching, so you can create images or videos that are visually interesting and eye-catching. The great thing about that is that as people are scrolling through social media, instead of just scrolling past your content, they're stopping and saying, oh, what's this all about? So your existing customers, they may say, oh, this is new. Let me check this out. Where are they? What are they doing? And for potential customers or people who are just online and happen to see your post, it may draw them in. It may be attractive to them to see a location that is visually engaging, that is beautiful. So it's a great thing to think about. And in addition to that, I really want to focus on the message, because in most cases, when you're filming a video or when you're capturing photos, there is a message behind what you're working on. So as people are going through social media or are online on Google search, etc., as they're looking through and scrolling through, and they stop because your image is interesting, your video is interesting, it gives them really an opportunity to also stop and see your message. In many cases, that's what you want them to do. You want them to see the message that you're trying to convey. So consider on-location shoots to differentiate yourself from the competition. Now, does this sound like one of the reasons why you might want to shoot on location? If so, please tell me. If not, please tell me too. I'd love to hear from you. Now, I shared in my vlog a couple of other reasons why location shoots may make sense for you, but guess what? I have 7 examples in my blog. So if you are interested, I have all of the information on my vlogs as well as on my blog in the description box. Please check them out. And before you go, please remember to subscribe. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye.